The average salary of 50 workers in a factory was rupees 350. Five new workers with salaries 250, 300, 340, 350, and 400 were employed. What would be the new average salary? Now we have a simple formula: average into quantity is equal to total. Now there are 50 workers, so quantity is 50, and their average salary was 350. That means the total salary of these 50 people would be 17,500. Now, five new workers have joined in with a salary of 250, 300, 340, 350, and 400. Now, if we add this up, this becomes 0. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14. So 4, 1 carryover. 5, 8, 11, 14, 16, 21. So 1 and 2 carryover. So addition becomes 19,140. So the new average will be 19,140 divided by the new quantity, that is 55. So the answer comes out as 348. So answer will be option B.